So after a week of doing these surveys, I ended up with, yo guys, welcome to the video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a challenge video on Prime Opinion. If you don't know what Prime Opinion is or you don't know much about it, check out my video. I'll put it up here for a bit of an introduction to Prime Opinion and how you can make money on it. So in today's video, basically, I'm going to try and get on the leaderboard on Prime Opinion. Every week, they run a bit of a competition between everyone on there doing the surveys. And at the end of the week, people get points. Obviously, if you get that top spot, there's a hell of a lot of points to be rewarded to you. So taking a look at where the leaderboard is coming to the end of this week, which seems to end on Wednesday nights. So looking at the leaderboard at the moment, first place has over 15,716 points earned to be precise. And they're in line for the 5,000 points reward for being top of the leaderboard. To put it into context, this last week, my points earned so far has been 498, so I'm gonna have to go some to get that top spot. To get into the top 10 at the moment, looks like about 10,500 is going to get you in the top 10, and they do give out rewards all the way down to, I think it's about 700, but the rewards are very minimal. Guys, let me know in the comments below, how high do you reckon I can get on this leaderboard? Have you ever tried this before to rank on that weekly leaderboard? How did you get on? Let me know in the comments below. Just quickly, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Plenty more videos like this coming. Let's get into it and get started to see how I get on with this challenge. So guys, we're coming to the end of day 2. After day 1, I was ranked 461 with 878 points earned. Now, day 2, I've got a few hours left and I will try and hit these a bit harder this evening because I haven't really gone too hard today. I kind of have noticed there seems to be more available in the morning, so that could be a bit of a tip, and certainly going into the weekend I'll try and use that a bit. So coming towards the end of day 2, although I am going to do some more later, I'm ranked 571st and I've got 1,312 points earned. Somehow there is a guy out there at the moment that's in the lead with 9,445 points earned. He's like 4,000 ahead of everyone else. So that first spot is looking wildly far away at the moment, but I'm just going to keep going, keep hitting them out to really fulfill this challenge, to see what I can do in a week and where I can get on the leaderboard. So keep watching guys, and let's see how I can get on over the next 5 days and see if maybe I can break into that top 100. So after a week of doing these surveys, I ended up with 3,970 points, and this saw me finish in a slightly disappointing place of 591st. That there is a prize of 36 points, which in the grand scheme of things isn't very much. And to be in the top 100 for this week, I would have needed over 7,430 points. The guy at the top of the leaderboard had over 2,790 points. I have no idea how he's done that. Not so much on a time basis, but actually on the availability of surveys on there. But that will see him get the top prize of 5,000 points. So in summary, with my total points and the reward for my place on the leaderboard, saw me get about 4,000 points in that week, which equates to about £30 to £35, which, as I've said before, you can get transferred straight to your PayPal. And just a bit of advice for anyone who's starting on Prime Opinion or isn't too familiar with things, a couple of things to look out for. Try and keep an eye throughout the day what surveys come up. There's a lot that will just pop up and then disappear, so you've got to be sort of quite hot on getting on those ones. Obviously, the good ones to go for are the higher points ones with the less time you have to spend on them. The other thing to look out for is the reviews. There is a review system where after everyone's done a survey, they can leave a rating out of 5 stars. Basically, I would strongly advise that you don't touch any surveys that haven't got 4 or 5 star reviews. I think the issue with the 3-star reviews or less is there could be issues with the survey, or they could be ones where you go quite a way through it and then you get screened out and then you don't get your full reward of points. Apart from that, it's a very decent way to make a bit of money online with very little input. It's definitely something you can do just on the side whilst you're chilling or you're watching TV. Guys, let me know in the comments below, have you been doing Prime Opinion before? Have you ever made it to the leaderboard? And if you have, what position did you finish? Guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. Give the video a like if you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next video.